What can $3.5 million buy you in this day and age? Today we're checking out the Azimut Fly 53 and we're going to take a look inside and see how exquisite it can be. Oh Ash, just look at the hardtop.
Really comfortable. It looks like a behemoth from the outside, but it's actually easy to drive. So
soft. It's so cozy here. Look at this. This is stunning. That way. We're checking out the Azimut Fly 53 to see what it has to offer.
So these are the Azimuts that you see in Miami boat shows, and it's got nice protection. Step outside, lounge.
So welcome to the lounge area. This is where we have the melee. That's very nice. I like that. Excellent. So this is the induction as well. So not only do you have a little oven, but you also have an induction. Of course, it's all Miele, so that's fantastic. Plenty of storage over here as well. You know, so that you can have a little look and see what's inside. And here is a pantry. Oh, there's the fridge. Oh, fantastic! Look at the fridge. And some storage, loads of storage here, which is great. But what I really like most about this boat is the lounge area. Let's check it out. Oh, Ash, just look at the hardtop. This is what we're after. There's a hardtop. We all love hardtops. But the lounge area's got a beautiful curl around seating here. You can fit maybe 10 people around here. You can be entertaining. And there's no clears as well. Thank you very much. Ugly clears are gone. This is just beautiful, absolutely stunning windows, look pristine. And the good thing about it as well is there are no like breaks in the middle of the window, so it's just pure windows, which is beautiful. Let's take a look at the windshields. Now we've seen lots of windshields in our time, and some of them have been ridiculously small, but this one looks okay. Let's take a look. Yeah, you can definitely see. This is like enough headroom to see. You've got a great field of view here, so you can see what's going on. I like that. It's got good windscreen wipers as well.
All right, guys, we're going to be checking out the cockpit. Oh, step up over here. Look at these seats. They look really comfortable. I'm excited. I'm going to sit down. Can I sit down? Yoy, I got the nod of approval. And I am on the wrong side because the steering wheel is actually on the left, which is actually pretty clever because it allows you to see more centered on the boat. Because I think my boat, I'm a bit on the right, but now on the left here. Ooh, look at that. Oh, huge. That's actually pretty clever because normally when I'm driving I have to stand up and lean back because you know when the boat starts to go up, when it goes on the plane you go a bit vertical, but now it's like this, and I'm sure the chair's all super customizable. Look at all these different controls, and you got two big Garmin screens. You can actually even upgrade these slightly bigger ones to use up the whole display, but it's all set out for you. You got cup holders over here, you got a joystick. So it looks like a behemoth from the outside, but it's actually easy to drive. Joysticks over here. I've got to use my bow thruster and my one, so it's a bit you know, challenging. And let's check out downstairs, see what the cabin is like. Ooh, the carpet is so
soft.
Nice and soft. I see why they have these boats all
gorgeous.
Downstairs. Ooh, we got a corridor. Splits up to the right, to the left, straight for the master bedroom. Back bedroom's over there, so let's check out the master first. And it's got AC, it's running, it's blowing through here. Nice, beautiful, cool breeze going.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Big bed.
Okay, the great thing about this bed is that the headroom is just fantastic. So if you're a bit tall, I'm about 5'6". If you're a bit taller than me, you'd have plenty of space. There's a huge bed. This is a double-sized bed, and it's got a proper-sized mattress as well. So it's not like an awkward-shaped mattress. It's an actual, well, kind of, but it's still a good-sized mattress. And the nice thing about it is you've got some really big cabin windows, so it's not small. This is just beautiful.
And the AC, look how many grills they've got.
Oh, and it feels so fresh down here. So you can access this toilet from the other side as well, but there is a shower here, and there's also a sink. This is all just very luxe. This is just gorgeous. I think this boat is definitely beautiful.
Okay, around the back through here, you got more bedrooms and storage space. So let's check out the aft cabin. The aft cabin over here, you got not one bed, you've also got a little sofa. So this actually this is the master cabin. That was just the play one.
Is that right?
Yeah, look, this one's got a sofa. You got a bed. You got a model of the actual boat.
Fantastic, love that. It's so cozy here and it feels so warm, and it doesn't actually feel like you're on a boat. It feels like you're in a hotel. Like, it feels so luxurious.
You're now traveling first class.
Yes, basically. Such a nice boat. What's down here? Should we have a look?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the aft cabin. That's so cute. Come take a look at the aft cabin.
Oh, this is for the kids, right? Actually, yeah. Single adults can live it. It's the crew, maybe the crew live here. You got two beautiful things and a mirror. You wake up, you check yourself up, you fix your hair, you go to the toilet, the shared toilet, and you're ready to go. And you still got a massive window over here. And it's still, you know, interestingly, I'm down here and it's still spacious.
It's not bad.
Yeah, other ones you have to go a bit lower.
You've got mirrors and everything. This is a beautiful boat.
Massive boat.
The finish, this kind of color of the wood, it just fits so seamlessly with the color of the carpet, the color of the walls. It is just, I really think they've thought about this really nicely. They've got really nice LED lighting. There's lots of airflow here for the ventilation, and it is a spectacular boat, I have to say. Let's go check out the upstairs. It's beautiful, it's big, it's spacious. It does actually feel like a boat, it feels like you're in a hotel. And it also has an outdoor decking area and an upstairs as well with a flybridge. Look, you can even steer the boat from the back. Is that right?
That's good for parking. Very good.
That's so useful, so you can be over here and watch, see what you're doing.
Make sure you don't crash.
Very painless, that's awesome, isn't it? Go around. Actually, no, this is really comfortable going around the side of the boat. There's lots of space. You can even walk sideways, there's plenty of space. It feels nice and secure, even with a little toddler on your arms. Because there's a guardrail just here. And then, as you can see, as you go around, look at this. This is stunning. And there is an area you can just sit down and say, "Sail me to Sydney." It is just stunning. What a beautiful boat. Helicopter. And you can see the helicopters. Wow. This is the boat. How much would you pay for this boat? Let me know in the comment section below. Oh, it's gorgeous.
And you can put covers on this bad boy. Look, they got the clips.
Wow, if you want to just stand at the front of the boat, you're more than welcome to. There's plenty of seating here. You can chill out with your friends, and you can just sit on the day bed and lie down and relax. Sail away, sail away. So not only do you have the big lounge and downstairs, you also have a flybridge. Let's go upstairs and check it out. This is what parties are made of. Right here, you can literally just be with your friends, maybe 20, 30 people up here on the day bed, on the back seat. The drinks are flowing, the food is flowing, and you've got a beautiful hard top, so you're not getting sunburned, you're getting nice and cool. And this,
I think it's canvas, you know. I think it's a retractable.
It's a retractable sunroof. That's awesome. So one of those days when you just want to get over the sun, you can. If you don't want it, you can just put it back. But just like, there's so much ample seating here.
My favorite part is not only can you cockpit the boat from the inside downstairs, from the side when parking, but you can actually do it from the front up here. And here, oh, that's nice. It's good that you get this canvas top to protect you, and it's retractable if you want some of the shade. Got another Garmin control system, exactly the same as before. You even got the joystick again, the thrusters, the steering wheel. Ooh, very, very luxury. Horn.
Yeah, shall I press it?
No.
You got bilge pumps. How many bilge pumps do they have? They got a cabin bilge, owner cabin bilge, an engine bilge, and they got 4 bilge pumps. So hopefully you'll be good if you're getting in water. It's a nice. Oh, you can see everything from here. And the stainless steel grab handles help you out. So you know, if you're fun, you can do some unauthorized diving. That'd be cool. Finally, let's check out. Is it more refrigeration for your drinks?
Yeah.
Super clean. Look at that.
Very nice. Fighter jets.
All right, let's check out the engine room. Whee. Look at that. So you get a nice step ladder so you can step in, and it is a massive cabin. Those big, huge Volvo Pentas. Very, very clean. Generator. 17 meters long, up to 31 knots, 2 Volvo D11s, and you get 3+1 crew.
So there you have it, that is the grand tour of the Azimut Fly 53, and I have to say it is exquisite. There is some beautiful details inside. It is really done to an exceptional level, and I want to know what you guys think. Do you think it is worth 3.5 million? I think it is. Let me know in the comment section below, and we'll see you on the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed the show.
Really comfortable. It looks like a behemoth from the outside, but it's easy to drive. So
So soft. It's so cozy here.
Whee.